At a time when public confidence is being tested, the Uganda Human Rights Commission is answering its critics head-on. Commissioner Crispin Kaheru says reports suggesting Chairperson Mariam Wangadya has left office are premature. He insists a resignation notice only takes effect after approval by the appointing authority.
Yeah, it's true the chairperson of the Uganda Human Rights Commission submitted a notice of resignation. Now, as the Attorney General of Government stated last week in Parliament, a notice of resignation is not equivalent to an immediate resignation. The appointing authority has to approve.
Beyond the leadership debates, Kaheru says the commission has been busiest where few cameras ever reach. Just days ago, its teams inspected Kampiringisa National Rehabilitation Center, Kitalia Mini-Max Prison, Nakasongola Prison, and Machon Bay Prison. This was meant to check detention conditions, hearing inmates' complaints, and pressing authorities for action.
And we met several inmates, monitored their conditions. We followed up their complaints, and we engaged the prisons authorities or the authorities of these facilities. And for me, there's no any other illustration or depiction that the Uganda Human Rights Commission is fully in operation.
The commission has also come under fire for what critics describe as silence over the arrests and detention of opposition figures and government critics. These include Elias Lukwago, Dr. Kiza Besije, and Miria Matembe. But Kaheru disagrees.
Where matters are before court, the law requires us to respect the judicial process. We cannot become another courtroom. But that has never stopped us from protecting the rights outside the courtroom. Just last week, we spent considerable time with Elias Lukwago at Machishon Bay Prison. We listened to his concern, and we immediately followed up those issues that relate to his rights, including access to appropriate medical care.
For a commission accused of saying too little, Kaheru argues the loudest human rights work is not always the most effective. Henry Okrut, UBC.